Alerts can be sent to one or several users associated with the device. These alerts are sent out in real time via email and/or text message. Multiple alerts can be sent simultaneously. These alerts can be set up by going to the Settings tab located on the right-hand side of the home screen. Under the Settings tab, click on the Alerts section. From here, you can add alerts. Tyco Cloud offers several different types of alerts. Some of these alerts include camera connect and camera disconnect. That's if one or more of your cameras disconnect or reconnect to our gateway. User login, if a user logs into Tyco Cloud during a time that they should not. Motion alert, if any of your cameras captured motion during a time that they shouldn't. Recording start and recording stop, that's if the recording has begun or ended on the gateway. Device offline, that's if your device ever loses connection to our cloud, whether it's from a power failure or a network issue. The device access alert will be sent to you if a user logs into cloud view, which is okay, but they then access your specific gateway. And upload not complete, that's if your scheduled upload to cloud drive fails to complete. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a motion alert. Begin by naming the alert whatever you wish to name it. The name of the alert is what will appear in the text message or email that you receive. Next, pick the type of alert you wish to create. For this demonstration, we are creating a motion alert. Follow that by selecting the days that you wish the alert to be active. You can choose either to have this alert active 24/7 on those particular days or set scheduled times for that alert. And the final step will be to choose which cameras will have this motion alert applied to it. Once I have set up my alert, I can choose which users I wish to have that alert sent to. Now this alert shows up in my alert section, and at any point I can go back in here and make changes to it.